Mhm. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be telling you about the job opportunities related to the software testers, and we would be giving you the details of the walk-in drives that are going to happen tomorrow. So before that, let me tell you about a few job opportunities as well. So there are various walk-in drives and testing jobs that you can apply, you can visit for tomorrow. And let me share with you one referral opportunity as well also. So this job opportunity is for a QA automation role, and this is for the Hyderabad based location, and the company name is Experian, and this is the job link. So they are looking for QA automation plus functional testing. And this is the job link wherein you can apply. But if you want to go with a referral, then apply from this particular link itself. Okay. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer, and the company name is Trisha Infotech. They are looking for 1 to 2 years of a QA a QA who is having experience of 1 to 2 years. They are looking for someone who can perform manual and automated testing of web and mobile applications, prepare and execute test case, test plans and test scripts, identify, document, track bugs and issues. Minimum 1 to 2 years of experience in QA is required. Strong knowledge of SDLC, STLC is required. Experience with testing tools like Jira, Postman, and good understanding of API testing. So you can email your resume to this particular email address. Then there's a hiring for mobile test engineer, and where again APM is mandatory. So they are looking for someone who is a mobile test engineer. Experience 3 plus years. Location is Noida. Notice period is immediate. APM expertise is mandatory here. So the responsibilities would be you would be doing test planning, test case execution, and mobile testing, Android, iOS both with APM. So you have to share your resume to this particular email address. Then there's a recruitment drive. It's a virtual recruitment drive which is happening for multiple positions across STET, SDIT, OTT platforms testing UiPath. So this would be on 29th of November, that is tomorrow itself. So there's a walk-in drive, and the name of the company is Testing Experts, and the mode would be virtual, so you don't have to go over there. But locations you can see: Chandigarh, Noida, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Gurgaon. So this is open for various locations. What you have to do is you have to drop your resume at this particular email address with the subject line virtual drive hyphen 29 November, role name, right? So that's very important. So this is one of the walk-in drives. So let me share the details with you of other walk-in drives as well. Right. So these are the walk-in drive details. As you can see here, these are all the skill set required: Selenium, Playwright, Lambda testing, browser tech testing, 8 to 12 years. For lead architect, 9 plus years. Then again for SDET, it is 5 to 7 years, 4 to 6 years, and 3 to 7 years. So multiple opportunities are there, and the open locations are Chandigarh, Noida, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Gurgaon. So multiple locations are there in which you can apply. Then there is one more job opportunity with respect to QualityKiosk technology. So there's a walk-in drive that would be happening again tomorrow from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. And they are looking for someone who is having experience from 1 to 5 years automation testing with Selenium, with Java, MSc, IT, MCA, BTech, BE only. So BCA and BSc IT profiles will not be considered. So that's the update. Then 1 to 4 years for automation testing with Catalan, and 1 to 15 years for Playwright plus Python or Playwright plus Java. Then 4 to 10 years for Selenium plus Java plus mobile automation. Then 6 plus years for Selenium plus Java plus API automation. And this is the email address. If you have any queries, if you have any questions, feel free to drop in mail here on this email address. So you can see there are a variety of positions starting from 1 year to 15 years. So a lot of hiring is going on in this particular company, and especially it is for automation testers, automation engineers. And the venue details are given. It's in Navi Mumbai itself, wherein you have to apply. Right. So these are a few of the details for the walk-in drives, as well as we shared with you the job opportunities. Now, see, walk-in drive, going into walk-in drive will help you a lot if you're looking for the job opportunity. You'll be connecting with many various folks over there. And not only that, but you also would get an idea of how the market is going, what kind of um, expertise people are having, and how they are applying, how much job opportunities are there in the market, which skill set are in demand. So when you go to the walk-in drives, it's not only that your networking increases, but it also gives you a high level overview of what is happening outside in the market. So it's very important. You should definitely go into the walk-in drive. If it is possible, do attend the walk-in drive and connect with the people there. You can connect with them, and you can ask them to also connect on the LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is a very important platform these days. The more you will use LinkedIn, the more it would be good for you to get the job opportunity, get the calls. Because these days, most of the recruiters, most of the hiring managers, they are using LinkedIn very actively. And when they search the candidates, then they will definitely match your records with your LinkedIn profile. If your LinkedIn is active enough, it is good. If it is not active, then this is the right time to make it active, right? So take all these important steps. What I'll do is I'll put the uh, links and the email addresses and all the details of the job opportunity in the comment section itself, so you can refer over there and it becomes handy for you to apply, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.